Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Cook and Stir, and today's video recipe is about banana walnut chocolate cake. Here are the ingredients. You can pause the video and read it through or watch along as I tell you how to make the recipe. So let's start by taking 2 bananas and 3/4 cup sugar and grind it. Pour it into a big bowl and add half cup oil, 1 teaspoon vinegar and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Whisk it till your arms fall off. Just kidding, just do it till they blend nicely. Now take 1.5 cups of maida, half cup cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Sieve it all. It is time for the infamous cut and fold method. Now add half cup water and mix it into a smooth batter. Now let's add 1/4 cup of walnuts chopped. Add this into a greased mold with parchment paper. Tap to avoid air bubbles. Now comes my favorite ingredient, chocolate chips. Add as much as your heart desires, just like we did here. Now preheat and bake the cake at 180 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes. Now that the cake is out of the oven and chilled, let's give it a cook and stir unbox therapy. Peel off the parchment paper. Cut it into slices, and if you want to watch many more recipes on our channel, then do subscribe to Cook and Stir and don't forget to click on that bell icon. Okay, I must admit, this is very satisfying to watch. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to hit that like button and catch you in another video. Till then, thanks for watching.